Good day, everyone. My name is Clarissa.
My name is Vienna.
My name is Jingyi.
My name is Shiny.
My name is Shashalin. We are representatives from SMK Taman under the project name
Ecowave.
Did you know that the Strait of Malacca is one of the busiest shipping routes in the world? It is also one of the most polluted sea areas in Malaysia. Every day, thousands of ships pass through it, increasing the risk of oil spills and marine pollution. So what is really happening to our oceans, and how does it affect us?
Our team will be presenting about the busiest and worst polluted ocean in Malaysia, which is the famous Strait of Malacca. But before that, let me explain what is ocean pollution. Well, ocean pollution is when a harmful substance enters the sea and damages the marine ecosystem. At the Strait of Malacca, since the year 1998 until today, there's been pollutants such as plastic waste, oil spills, chemical discharge, sewage, fishing waste, and so much more that never been lessened. Most ocean pollution actually comes from land, through rivers and drains that carry trash into the sea.
Malaysia is surrounded by several important sea areas, including the Strait of Malacca, the South China Sea, the Sulu Sea, and the Celebes Sea near Sabah and Sarawak. Among these, Strait of Malacca is considered the most polluted marine area in Malaysia. Heavy ships traveling in increase oil leaks, waste discharge, and auxiliaries.
Before continuing, these are the most sustainable development goals involved in our project. First and most importantly, SDG 14, Fight Below Water. Our project aims to prevent and reduce marine pollution, protect marine ecosystem, and conserve ocean biodiversity. Next is the SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Rivers and drainage system carry waste directly into the sea.
The third goal is SDG 13, Climate Action. Healthy oceans play a major role in regulating the Earth's climate. Lastly, SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. This goal encourages reusing and recycling materials.
Let me explain to you what are the most common causes of ocean pollution all around the world. Number one, we have plastic waste. The biggest source of ocean pollution is plastic waste. Items like plastic bottles, food packaging, bags, and straws often end up in rivers and then flow into the sea. Plastic does not break down easily. It can stay in the ocean for hundreds of years. Over time, it breaks into tiny pieces called microplastics, which are even harder to remove and can be eaten by marine animals. Another major cause is oil and shipping. Small fuel leaks, illegal waste discharge, and ship accidents can release oil and harmful substances into the water. Next, we have industrial and river pollution. Some industries release chemicals and untreated wastewater into the rivers. These rivers eventually flow into the sea, carrying pollutants with them. Household waste, detergents, and sewage can also enter waterways. Lastly, fishing waste. Lost fish nets, also called ghost nets. These nets continue trapping fishes, turtles, and other marine animals, even when no one is using them.
Now, let me talk about the effects. Ocean pollution has serious effects on marine life because many animals mistake plastic for food. Turtles may eat plastic bag thinking they are jellyfish. Chemicals in polluted water can poison marine organisms and damage coral reefs. When marine ecosystems are damaged, the whole food chain is affected.
Ocean pollution doesn't only harm marine animals, it also directly affects humans in many ways. For example, it affects our food safety. Fish and shellfish can absorb toxins and microplastics from polluted waters. When people eat contaminated seafood, these harmful substances can enter our bodies. Second, pollution affects people's livelihoods, especially fishermen. When waters are polluted, fish populations increase. This means fishermen catch less seafood and may lose income. Third, ocean pollution damages tourism. Malaysia is known for beautiful beaches and islands, especially in places like Sabah, Terengganu, and Langkawi. When beaches are dirty or water is polluted, tourists are less likely to visit.
Ocean pollution does not disappear. It accumulates over time. Another reason this is serious is because marine ecosystems recover very slowly. Pollution also spreads across borders. Waste thrown away in the country can travel through ocean currents and affect another country's coastline.
There are many ways to reduce ocean pollution, and solutions must involve everyone: governments, communities, and individuals. At the national level, Malaysia has set up marine parks and protected areas to safeguard coral reefs and marine life.
These governments also run clean-up campaigns, reduce plastic usage. Schools can organize beach cleanups and recycling programs.
Industries can also help by treating their wastewater before releasing it into the waters and ocean. Shipping companies can follow stricter rules to avoid oil leaks, and as students, we can take simple steps every day by using reusable bottles and bags. Lastly, social media can be used to educate others and promote eco-friendly practices.
In conclusion, ocean pollution is a serious issue that affects Malaysia and the world. Areas like the Strait of Malacca show how human activities, from shipping to plastic waste, can harm marine life, disrupt ecosystem, and even impact our health and livelihoods.
But the good news is that we can all make a difference.
Protecting our oceans starts with us.
And that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Sokongan.